In this video, I will explain what is efflorescence and how to avoid in architectural buildings. Efflorescence is a white crystalline deposit of salts that can form when water is present in or on masonry, such as block, concrete, render, or mortar, that can leach out from within the substrate when the moisture migrates through it. How does these salts form? It must with the presence of water or moisture, where could be found as a groundwater, rising dam, or excess water within the wall. As moisture enters and moves through the substrate, it dissolves mineral salts which are present in the cement or in plaster. When the mineral salts find its way moving to the surface of the substrate, the water evaporates and leaves behind the white deposit of crystalline salts. Let's understand the chemistry reactions as below. The calcium oxide reacts with the water, form calcium hydroxide. When water evaporates and combines with calcium dioxide in the air to form a calcium carbonate, the calcium carbonate is not readily dissolved in water. That's why it tends to be as a crystal lies on the concrete surface. Efflorescence can be explained by two main factors: environment factors and substrate factors. Environment factors, which is the most common in the damp running months, when lower temperature and slower the evaporation rate, which is high humidity, will allow greater migrations of calcium hydroxide to the surface. Substrate factor, which is in low density, very porous wall, or using high salt content sands, also will increase the risk of efflorescence. A higher density concrete is less likely to develop efflorescence. When it hydrates, its porous structure changes, less porous, and permeability decreases dramatically. Always advise to use proprietary factory mixed cement render which are lime-free or low in calcium. Specifically select monetary ingredient which is low calcium or salt content. Never use unwashed sand or stone. It could have a presence of high soluble salts. Let's understand the rectify and repair works. First, don't wash with water on the efflorescence area. This is because the salts will dissolve and carry back to the concrete, causing the additional efflorescence in the later time. We need to identify the source of the moisture. If there is a crack, repair and seal up. Apply waterproofing system if necessary. Next, remove the efflorescence and the loose material using the wire brush, then rinse with the dilute acid solution. In this case, you can use acetic acid 1/3 parts of water. We coat with 1 coat of alkali resistant primer followed by 2 coats of weather resistant acrylic paint. We recommended you can use 1 coat of Kansai concrete e-sealer followed by 2 coats of Kansai Atlas Weathercoat Hybrid. Kansai Atlas Weathercoat Hybrid is a self-cleaning paint. It is added with a silicone additive and result created a lotus effect. Dirt particles are picked up by the water droplets on the surface, which will minimize the water stigma on the wall. These formulations giving excellent resistance on fungus and algal growth, provide excellent color retention and with no added lead or mercury. It is Serim certified green product with low VOC and low odor. With full painting system, it provides 8 years warranty. The best way to prevent efflorescence from occurring in the first instance is to put the following practice into the design and construction phase. Ensure the substrate is fully cured. Manufacturing SOP at least 28 days for concrete and cement render, is 14 days for skin coating. Design a good drainage to prevent water ponding or ponding on the horizontal surface. Avoid painting bumps on masonry surface. We will use photometer to measure the moisture content on the wall. Don't go ahead any breathing above 70%. Install a proper moisture barrier or waterproofing system. It will effectively prevent the rising damp. Any bare masonry are required to paint. You can apply the water repellent paint. We recommend you use Kansai Social PS38, which is solvent-free epoxy sealer. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Again, I am Angeline from Kansai Paint. Thank you. Have a nice day.